Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I want to show you how you can assemble mainstays task chair with Plush Padded Seat. The tools is included and it's just the Allen wrench. Find a clean area, open the box and remove the old stuff from packaging. For a start, turn the star base upside down and press the casters into hole at the end of each legs. Then turn the star base upright and insert gas lift with telescoping cover into the center hole of the star base. Next step, insert back cushion into rear hole of seat cushion as shown, and then secure with 2 bolts as on part A, and then tighten all the bolts with the Allen wrench. Next, turn the assembled chair upright and locate the central hole of the seat cushion over the gas lift. Push down firmly until connection is secure. Just before using your new chair, ensure that all the bolts are tightened fully for safety reasons. At the end, put seat cover on the plastic seat cushion and make sure the seat plate handle is out of the seat cover. Since you might want to know how big the seat is, I measure it. When the chair is down, the size is 45 centimeter. When the chair is up, the height is 53 centimeter, and the seat cushion is 38 times 38 centimeter. Thanks for watching, and if you want to see more video from us, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and turn on the notification. Have a good time.